Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Power on the Android box and the mobile, then enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi SSID. Make sure you pick the correct band because 4 GHz often has wider range. Once done, install the vendor app or a trusted screencast app on your phone. This is necessary because the box needs a compatible receiver. This early setup prevents pairing errors and speeds the next steps. Now you perform the core connection. Open the receiver or settings on the Android box and enable Screen Share, Miracast, or Google Cast mode depending on the box. On your mobile, open Cast or Screen Mirroring and scan for nearby devices. Select the Android box name when it appears. Make sure to accept the pairing prompt displayed on the box and grant permissions for audio and display capture. Without those permissions, the stream will be blocked. If the first try fails, restart the cast function and try again. Complete the process by tuning display and audio. Adjust resolution, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio if available, and set the correct audio output so sound plays through your TV. Play a video to confirm smooth playback. If you notice lag, close background apps on the phone and lower resolution. If things still fail, reboot both devices and check the box firewall or network isolation settings. Make sure the router isn't blocking device discovery. That single troubleshooting tip often fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.